The Apple Vision Pro is a cutting-edge augmented reality (AR) headset that combines state-of-the-art technology with sleek design. It offers a truly immersive experience that blurs the line between the virtual and the real world. The headset is lightweight and comfortable, making it ideal for extended use. Its adjustable straps and ergonomic design ensure a snug fit for users of all ages. The device is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, enabling it to track head movements and provide a seamless AR experience. One of the standout features of the Apple Vision Pro is its exceptional spatial mapping capabilities. Using LiDAR technology, the headset can create detailed 3D maps of its surroundings, allowing users to interact with virtual objects in a highly realistic manner. The Apple Vision Pro also introduces intuitive hand gesture recognition. With a simple wave or pinch, users can manipulate virtual objects, navigate menus, and control the device, without the need for any additional peripherals. The visual quality of the Apple Vision Pro is simply stunning. With its high-resolution displays and advanced optics, the headset delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and an expansive field of view. Whether you're exploring virtual worlds or collaborating in augmented reality meetings, every visual element feels incredibly lifelike. The Apple Vision Pro isn't just limited to indoor use. Its adaptive display technology adjusts to varying lighting conditions, ensuring optimal visibility even in bright sunlight. This makes it perfect for outdoor activities, such as AR-guided tours or sports training. Connectivity is seamless with the Apple Vision Pro. It seamlessly integrates with other Apple devices, allowing users to access their favorite apps, games, and content on the go. With a robust wireless connection, you can stay connected and collaborate with others in real time. Finally, the Apple Vision Pro is set to revolutionize gaming. With its powerful processing capabilities, immersive audio, and precise motion tracking, gamers can enjoy an unparalleled gaming experience. From action-packed adventures to multiplayer battles, the possibilities are endless. The Apple Vision Pro is an extraordinary device that pushes the boundaries of augmented reality. Its sleek design, advanced features, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem make it a game-changer in various fields, from entertainment to education and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this detailed analysis of the Apple Vision Pro. We hope you're as excited about this incredible device as we are. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking innovations from Apple.